Hi everybody, this video is for Zazzle customers who would like to get a personalized photo and name water bottle for somebody. So if you just click on the link I put below in the description to the water bottle, it'll take you to this page right here. And you'll see a water bottle with a picture and where you can put a name and everything, and it's so simple to personalize this. All you have to do is go right here to personalize this template. Click on that, and right here you can change the name. So if you want to put a different name, and then right here you could click on change, and then go up to upload images, and there you can go and click on any picture that you want to upload, and we'll fill it in right there. And so maybe I should change the name to a boy's name. So, and then that's it right there. Now you can also personalize it further by clicking on click to customize further. And then if you want to change the font or text, you can do that over here on this side. So if you want to make it bigger or smaller or change the font, you can do everything over here on the right hand side. You can change the side with these little plus and minus signs. You can also enlarge the photo if you want to. Just look down right here, and this is where you could change everything that you want to change. So when you're done and you have it how you like, you can click on done, and there's your water bottle. Over here you can see all the different views of it on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you can pick different colors. A lot of them are out right now while I'm making this video because it's Christmas, so they're just running out of things, but they always come back. So you can change that, and you can also change the size. You can get an 18 ounce or 24 ounce. So once you have it how you like it, all you have to do is click add to cart, and you're done. Simple as that. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Happy Zazzling to you. Bye-bye.